Tired of being the only one who can post on Pinterest? You know how it is. You've got a growing business, a Pinterest strategy that's actually working, but you're still stuck doing every single pin yourself. You want to bring someone onto your team to help, but you're worried about handing over the keys to the kingdom. Well, here is exactly how to add employees and lock down their permissions so you can finally delegate with confidence. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to add employees, assign their roles, and choose which specific assets they can access. By the end of this, you'll go from being the bottleneck in your Pinterest management to having a team that works with you, not for you, with full control over who sees what. Okay, let's jump in. First, open up Pinterest and log into your business account. Once you're in, look over in the top right corner. You'll see a little grid icon. That's the Business Hub menu. It looks like 3 dots in a square. All right, now you're on the menu. Click on Business Manager. This is your central control panel. It's where all the magic happens for your team and your assets. Once you're in Business Manager, you'll see a navigation menu on the left side. Click on Employees. All right, now you're on the Employees page. In the top right corner, you'll see a big blue button that says Add Employees. Click that. A pop-up or a new page will open, asking you to enter the person's username or email address. Type that in carefully. Make sure it's the exact email they use for Pinterest. And here's the really important part, the part most people mess up. You have to choose a role. You have 2 options, employee or manager. Let me break those down for you. An employee can only work on the ad accounts and profiles you specifically assign to them. They can't add other team members or change permissions. This is your go-to for most team members, your assistant, your freelancer, your social media person who just needs to pin. On the other hand, a manager has a lot more power. A manager can add and remove employees, change permissions, manage partners, and access all ad accounts. This is only for someone you absolutely trust, maybe a co-owner or your right-hand person. Think carefully before choosing this one. I've seen business owners accidentally give manager access to a part-time contractor, and it can get messy fast. So choose your role wisely. Once you've picked, click the Next button. Now you'll need to select your business from a list. Since you're already in Business Manager, it should show you your business right there. Click on it. Now, here's where you really lock things down. Click on Show Assets. This will pull up a list of all your Pinterest business assets. Your boards, your ad accounts, your catalogs. You get to check the boxes for exactly what you want this new employee to access. Want them to only work on one specific board? Check that one box. Want them to manage multiple ad accounts? Check those boxes. You are in complete control. After you've selected the assets, continue through the remaining setup steps. Pinterest will ask you to review everything: the role, the email, the assets. Double-check it all, and then go ahead and send the invitation. The employee will get an email with a link to accept. And just like that, the employee is added to your Pinterest Business Manager with the exact role and permissions you chose. You can now step back, knowing your account is secure and your team member has exactly what they need to get to work. The bottom line is this: delegation doesn't have to mean giving up control. With Pinterest's Business Manager, you can build a team that works smoothly alongside you without any of the risk. So go ahead. Add that first employee and start freeing up your time to focus on the bigger picture. You've got this.